Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm here in my bathroom. This is gonna be super easy. I'm not scientist. I don't know how this thing works, but it works. It really works 100% of the times. Every single time that this get clogs, like probably like every one, I don't know, once every 3 months or 4 months, because someone with long hair is using my bathroom to shower. Nothing happened? Okay, cool, we're good. So here's the thing. You can see that this one is slowly draining. It's not fully clogged. Mainly, it's just long hair. And it's not entirely like 100% blocked, but it's getting there. So how do you actually work with this? By the way, this is a 2-pack. And how you actually work with this. You can see it's super easy. It's right here in the back. It says pour, wait, done. That's it. That's pretty much everything you need to do. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna fill this with hot water. Just if it's entirely clogged, doesn't matter. If it's gonna work anyways. If it's entirely blocked, it's gonna work 100%. Or just like me, halfway, and then you pour this, just like that. I'm gonna put just like 25% of the bottle, something like that. And that's it. You just wait, put it out. That's it. I have no idea how this works. I have no idea about the science behind Drano, but it works 100% every single time that she clogs my shower. Okay, we're good still. So you can probably hear that it's already draining faster. It's kind of like working already. So we wait like about 15 to 20 minutes, half hour if you want. You make the water run again and you're done. So let's come back here in 15-20 minutes. And it's almost finishing. So when I put the water back again to run, sorry about the noise for sure, but you can see that this is already working. This is draining like it's supposed to. There's no gathering water right here or anything. And this one is actually pretty thick one. But if I turn it off right now, that's it. It is draining, and it's draining faster, and it's working like it's supposed to. You can see how the water is moving that way, and that's it. That's pretty much it. I have no idea about the science behind Drano, but it works every single time. It works. So if you have any issues with long hair in your shower or something like that, and it's clogged, or your sink or something like that, just use Drano. It will work 100% of the times. You can see that it's gone. I like it. I do recommend it 100%. Thumbs up. Drano makes it work.